Hi, in this video, we'll explore about link parameters from Pro3 HSR. Let's begin by launching Pro3 HSR technology. If you go to link page and links tab, we have different types of link settings over here. We have area links, links between slices, links between regions. In this video, we'll learn about area links. Uh, in the area links group, we have uh, two settings. One is within group and another one is between groups. Within group specifies the link motions between the between the adjacent cuts in a single group. Between groups specify the link moves between the different groups inside a single region on the same cutting layer. When I say same cutting layer, it is one step down. Let's see uh, how this works. Let's say, for example, I have a pocket here. Inside the pocket, I have one boss here. Okay, one island here. And let's say, for example, my toolpath, okay, looks like this. So this is my toolpath. Okay. And another slice, another toolpath. And here we have another pass. So this is my toolpath. Now when I say within group links, a link is connected like this. Okay. So this is within group. Okay. And between groups, so here we have one group of toolpath and another group of toolpath over here, but it is in the single region, single pocket. So when the when SolidCam has to connect between these two group of toolpaths, uh, link creates like this. Now this is from the top view. If you look at the front view, okay, and I have one toolpath here, another toolpath here. When software connects between the groups like this, this is depending on the settings, whether it could be direct, it could be blend spline, it could be retract to feed distance, it could be retract to rapid distance, retract to clearance area. Let's create a toolpath and see how this works. I will select my tool. I don't need a boundaries. For a better understanding, I will create only one slice at 2 mm step down. And I will make sure I don't keep any offset. Okay. And I will also keep 50% step over, and I will uncheck the minimize links and remove corner pegs. So here we have a toolpath. As you can see, within group. So within group, if you go to the link settings and links tab, within group it is set to blend spline. Okay. So for the adjacent cuts, SolidCam connected with the blend spline. Now if I change it to direct, okay, now SolidCam connects it directly, okay, and similarly you can also use the other settings as well based on your based on the needs of a machining. Okay, for now I will leave it to the blend spline. Now between groups, this set to retract to feed distance. So there are three areas where tool is retracting to feed distance and going to the other group of tool connecting other group of tool path. And if you look at the tool path, uh, where is this feed distance is defined? If you go to levels page, the feed distance is nothing but a safety distance. Okay. Now you would wonder the safety distance is set to 2 mm, but the tool is the retracting more than 2 mm. Yeah, it also depends on the safety conditions that were designed inside the software. When when software is trying to create a link using a safety distance, and if it finds a collision between the tool and the workpiece, it automatically retracts and adds air move safety distance to the safety distance. So whenever it finds a collision to create a link on the safety distance level, SolidCam adds air move safety distance to the safety distance. So it means SolidCam tries to retract the tool at 12 mm and go to the next group of tool parts. And let's say, for example, if that also fails, uh, even with 12 mm retract height, um, software finds a collision and it will further increase it to the retract distance. Retract distance is nothing but a rapid distance, and if rapid distance also uh, is at fault, then software tries to move it to the clearance area. Clearance area is nothing but here. So direction is set to z axis and height is automatic, and the clearance plane height is automatically defined by the SolidCam. So let's see whether how this you know whether the say retract to feed distance, retract to rapid distance create exactly what we defined in the levels page. So now this is if I go to link, the between groups is set to retract to feed distance. Now I'll copy paste this tool path and I will set it to retract to rapid distance. Now it has to move further uh, uh, further height, and I will again copy paste this toolpath and between groups I will change it to retract to clearance area. Okay, so now you can see three toolpaths, right? And three toolpaths between the group links are at a different level based on the settings we defined in the SolidCam. Now to make sure these retracts are created uh, as per the input given in the Pro 3D HSR. Let's create a sketch. Okay. Now my file. Okay, I will convert this line to offset it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I was not in the sketch. Now I'm in let's sketch. Okay. I will convert this top line and my depth of cut is 2 mm, right? So So if you look at the toolpath is at exactly 2 millimeters. So this is fine. Now from here, the safety distance is it's not the safety distance, air move safety distance is 10 millimeters. Now let's see if this retract is at 10. I will offset this line by 10 millimeters. It's a reverse. So now if you look at the retractive feed distance is exactly at safety distance plus air move safety distance. Okay, so this is also fine. Now if I offset it to the retract distance is set to 20 millimeters in the operation. Now, so this is also exactly matching. Okay, now this clearance level is basically defined by software automatically. Okay, so this is working exactly what we defined in the software. Let's look at again. I will switch off these two toolpaths. Okay, now this toolpath is set between groups is set to retract to feet distance. Okay, sorry, retract to clearance area. So this toolpath is somewhere here. Okay, and if I open a second toolpath, okay, maybe I'll have to exit from the sketch to see the exact toolpath. So now, so this is retract to rapid distance. We go to links between groups is set to retract to rapid distance. Rapid distance is defined in the levels page, and retract distance is set to 20 millimeters. This is about 20 millimeters. Okay, now these are the this is the fallback sequence of the software when system finds collision when creating the links between the groups. It has got a fallback sequence. Now let's say, for example, let me hide the sketch. Let's say, for example, you don't want to worry about setting different options in the link settings, and you want software to create take care of the safety and create optimize the links automatically. You can always set this to direct. Okay, or else you can keep it to any settings. Let's say, for example, I'll keep it to clearance area. Okay, now all the links between groups are created to the clearance area. Now I want system to take into account of a stock. Okay, I will enable the stock and create all the links based on the stock. Okay, I mean not retracting to the clearance area. So here I'll just have to enable the check within process stock. Okay, and just calculate it. Okay, so now here you can see, even if the link settings are set to clearance area, since we provided the stock for the toolpath calculation, SolidCam creates the links of area links, whether it could be within group or between groups. The links height are optimized and creates safely and move to the next group of toolpaths. So this is how the area links works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.